Hello everyone, welcome to GEPL Capital. IPOs are a great way to participate in the growth of the companies from the beginning. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to apply for IPOs seamlessly using the GEPL Pro Markets app. Just log in into your app and click on More, which is bottom right corner. Click on Bids and then on IPO. You can see here these are all the IPOs currently available to be applied in the live section. If I'm interested to apply an HDB Financial IPO, I'll simply click on Apply, then I'll enter my UPI ID and based on my criteria, I'll select whether I come in the shareholders category or individual investor. Then I'll select my lot size and click on Apply Bid. After this process is done, you will receive a mandate on the mentioned UPI ID which you will have to accept to confirm the IPO application.